Welcome to 86 Atherton Avenue, a 3-bedroom brick townhome with 3 washrooms backing onto a vast green space within the Meadow Ridge neighbourhood of Northwest Ajax. Featuring a landscaped garden bed, a single-car garage, and a covered front porch, the glass-paneled entry door has a sidelight and opens into a bright foyer with a mirrored door double coat closet and a main level showcasing pot lighting and upgraded light fixtures, as well as polished floor tiles throughout much of its space, with upgraded wide plank laminate flooring finishing the open concept living and dining rooms. A neutral yet chic color palette accented with chair rail complements the grey shades of the flooring, enhancing the aura of elegance felt within these entertaining spaces, which also features a gas fireplace finished with a tiled hearth and accent facade surrounded by a white mantle, and windows with California shutters. The neutral decor is carried over into and pairs exceptionally well with the modern design elements of the kitchen. Recently and beautifully updated, this functional workspace showcases cabinetry with upgraded hardware and lots of storage, subway tile backsplashes and quartz counters, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink with a gooseneck faucet, French door fridge, gas range, and dishwasher. While above its breakfast area is an elegant light fixture, this space also having a sliding door walkout to access the backyard. Off the entrance hall is access to the garage, a powder room, its vanity upgraded with a quartz counter, and to the upper level, a carpeted staircase with a hardwood and wrought iron railing. This level is carpeted throughout and has 3 light-filled bedrooms and 2 washrooms, with both the second and third bedrooms having ample closet storage, large windows with southeasterly exposures, and space for sitting or study areas. The main 4-piece washroom features a tiled floor, a vanity with great storage, and within the privacy of the water closet, a tiled bath area. While the upper hallway has upgraded light fixtures, a linen closet, and a nook that is ideal as a home office or sitting area. Double doors open into the master suite, its oversized northwest-facing window offering unobstructed views of the adjacent green space. This lovely personal retreat has a spacious walk-in closet, and its 5-piece spa-like ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, a glass shower, a vanity with double basins, as well as a corner tub with a window and pot light above it. To the finished lower level is a hardwood staircase, with this level featuring vinyl plank flooring and pot lighting, lots of storage, including space under the staircase and a walk-in closet, a laundry room with washer and dryer, a spacious recreation area with oversized basement windows, and a kitchenette with a stainless steel sink, fridge, and stove, and a 3-piece washroom showcasing upgraded tiles finishing the floor and the glass shower, as well as a space-saving Euro-style vanity. Steps to a parquet, and a short walk to public transit, as well as both Rosemary Brown and Vimy Ridge public schools. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.